Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access your spark plugs, you must remove the engine cover. With a socket wrench and a 5mm Allen key, remove the 4 screws on the engine cover and take it off. Then lightly lever the coils to release them. Separate everything in such a way so that it does not get in the way as you work on the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and finish by hand to save time. Light coat the thread of the new spark plug with copper grease. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. Always start screwing by hand and finish using a wrench 1/16 of a turn. You can also use a torquey wrench and employ the torquey setting recommended by the manufacturer. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Put the ignition wire back, pushing it in as far as possible into the spark plug socket. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Put the engine cover back on, screwing it in place. Operation completed.